Hey there, future tech stars. Looking for an incredible internship opportunity that will kickstart your career? Well, you're in luck. Deloitte India is offering a fantastic internship program for 2025, and trust me, this is one you don't want to miss. First off, let's talk about the big draw: money. Deloitte is offering a generous stipend of Rs. 30,000 per month. Yes, you heard that right. You'll be earning while gaining invaluable experience. Now here's the scoop on the internship itself. It's a QA engineer intern role at Deloitte's Digital Engineering Center. You'll be involved in writing automated test code, designing and executing test cases, and collaborating with development and UX teams. It's hands-on, it's practical, and it's exactly what you need to build a solid foundation in tech. So, who's this internship for? If you're a final year student or a recent graduate with a bachelor's degree in computer science or a related field, you're eligible. They're looking for proactive individuals with strong technical skills and a passion for learning. Extra points if you've participated in hackathons or coding competitions. Wondering about the work mode? It's either hybrid or on-site, depending on the project needs, so you'll get a mix of both worlds. Remote flexibility and hands-on office experience. And the benefits? Oh, there are plenty. You'll get formal onboarding, access to Deloitte University's extensive learning resources, mentorship from industry professionals, and even a potential job offer if you perform well. Plus, you'll receive a certificate of completion to show off on your resume. Alright, let's get into how you can apply. First, make sure your resume is top-notch. Highlight your tech skills, coursework, and any relevant projects. Next, gather your documents, mark sheets, Idaho proofs, and certifications. Then head over to the Deloitte Careers portal and search for QA Engineer Intern. Apply online and complete the selection process, which includes an online test, a technical interview, and an HR round. So what are you waiting for? This is your chance to land a dream internship, gain hands-on experience, and potentially secure a job at one of the world's leading companies. Head over to the Deloitte Careers portal now and start your application. Thanks for watching and good luck with your application. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career tips and opportunities. Catch you in the next video.